Hey guys, my name is Sohrab John, and I currently work at Zynga as a game designer. I'm an alumni of IGA. So this used to be called IGA, now it's called Asian Institute of Design. So this college has changed quite a bit from what it was when I was here. So to see what it's become now and to talk to the faculty as well and see what it's becoming is really great because they have a lot of stuff in the works. And yeah, I just wanted to come back and give a webinar to the students about game design because that's something that I felt when I was at the college I didn't really get a good grasp of, and it isn't really something that in the industry people know about until you actually enter the industry. So I just wanted to give the students a little bit of tidbits about game design as a whole, and I'm hoping I at least touched a few of them to like when I had the session, there were a few that were really keen, like asking questions and stuff like that. So they seem like a good bunch, and I'm hoping that a few of them might pursue this in the future. But anyways, this talk kind of helps, and it's been really good, and the faculty have also treated me really well, and it's fun. It's fun coming back and giving a talk because being a teacher compared to being a student, and now you kind of understand. And being in the industry, IGA has helped a lot in my journey. So yeah, it's given me a really good base in the industry. And as a designer now, talking to artists, talking to UX, talking to programmers, whatever it is, IGA is the one that kind of grounded me and gave me that base to understand how to go through all these aspects of the industry, basically. So yeah, I thank IGA, and I wish you all good luck. Thank you.